pretending to sneeze on my husband and getting his reaction.
What time do we gotta go pick up Cruz?
In about 30 minutes, I think.
30 minutes?
Achoo!
What the hell is that?
My bad.
What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry. Allergies are really bad right
What are you,
now.
5 years old?
No, I'm not 5 years old.
What do you
I'm
think,
sorry.
This is 2019, you can just sneeze on people? What's wrong with you?
Nothing. I'm fine. What's wrong with you? It's just my sneeze. I'm your wife. Calm down.
I feel like I need to go take a shower now.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Dude, are you freaking kidding me again?
Oh my gosh.
That's all over my back, the whole freaking line of it.
Sorry, I just wanted the cookie.
You can't have, dude, I'm taking a freaking shower. Are you kidding me?
You fucking nuts.
Ow.
Trying to give me fucking COVID, you motherfucker. Oh, I don't, your lip, lips. Your breast stinks like shit, motherfucker.
Sneeze on your BF and catch the reaction.
Here, get the food. It's 23 bucks.
Fajitas?
Yeah, I love my fajitas.
Oh, sorry. My bad. That was a big one.
Bro! It's by accident. Sexy.
Sneezing in his face.
I went to the ocean. I'm trying to go. Let me call you back, bro.
Allergies, thank
Let me call you back. Bro, you just sneezed on me?
It was an accident, babe.
Babe, how old are you? How did you just sneeze on me?
Babe,
And then you just sitting there, bro. Can you give me a tissue? Do something, bro. What if I sneeze? What if I sneeze on you, bro?
You better not.
You're like, you better not, bro. You know, here, wear this mask when you in this car now, bro. How are you sneezing on me? Are you a baby? You need a baby mask or something? It's not funny. You just sneezed on me and you laughing.
Why would you do that?
Get the tissue. Get something. The hand
Yeah, bro.
sanitizer or something. Move. Watch out. That's disgusting. You're not a baby. Where's my hand sanitizer at? Damn. Stop.
Since you want to do that.
Windy outside. Are you ready to go? We're gonna go to Target first and then go get groceries. Oh wait, what did I need at Target? I completely forgot. Babe, do you remember what I need at Target? Hello? Why are you ignoring me? Babe. Babe. Hello? Why are you ignoring me? Stop. Hello? Hello? Why are you ignoring me? Stop ignoring me. Hello? Hello? Can you stop ignoring me? Alright, I'm gonna take your ass with me anyway.
So you know I have small boobs, right?
Yeah.
So I talked to a doctor, and I think I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna get the double D's? Oh, yeah! Big double D melons, baby. That's exciting. I'll drive you. We can go early. You're not getting anything, are you?
No.
Damn. Are you mad? We'll just forget this happened.
Babe, where are you going? Babe? Babe?
Bunny hoppers.
Okay. Are you okay?
Bunny hoppers.
Are you okay?
No, go away.
Are you
Come
okay?
on, out of the milk. You like? You like?
You know what? We need to take you back up to bed then.
The view is nice today.
Babe,
What?
look.
What, dude? What?
Stop getting so close
What's
to my
wrong
best
with that?
friend.
What is wrong with
You're
that?
in the bed with her.
Yeah, we didn't do anything. It was just warm.
No.
What?
Stop.
Can we
will
just
leave the
walk?
house right now.
No, we just got
Okay,
here.
well then don't hold her.
Okay,
hand.
let's just lay on the
Stop
sand. Come on,
it.
come on, let's lay on the sand. What? Come on, chill out.
Got it. Okay.
What are you doing?
Keep that there. I
Are
marked
you?
my territory. Let a bitch try.
Are
Let
you
a bitch
really
try.
doing this for TikTok?
Let a bitch try.
Bro.
Thank you.
Can
No,
you-
this is for you. This isn't for TikTok.
You just cut
Keep
your-
that shit there. Keep that shit there.
Okay.
Alright, babe. We're here. What do you mean? We're at your house.
This isn't my house.
What do you mean that's not your house?
This isn't my house.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Bro.
All right. No,
Bro,
no, wait.
stop
Wait,
the
what
car.
don't touch
Stop.
the wheel. What are you doing?
Stop.
What are you doing?
I want a number one. Catch pull me.
Number one? Yes, I got it.
Yeah.
I got it.
Dave.
What? Can you change your mind?
Yeah, I want a number two.
Number two, ketchup only?
Number two, yeah.
Okay.
If she.
Telling my man I got the COVID test that goes in your
The
bum.
COVID test came in that we ordered.
Oh.
This one is for the bum though. So that's what has to happen.
I'm not putting that in my butt.
We'll just get over here and I just do a little swipe.
I don't care how little it is. It's not going up my butt. Do you have to do this to travel?
Yes, babe, we have to do the anal.
Kissing my stepsis to see her reaction.
Ew, stepbro, don't be weird.
It's okay. Mom just left. She went to the store.
Wait, really?
Yes.
You think I could have it back?
No.
It's because, no, it's like a little crazy situation right now because last week I bought the Bad Bunny tickets and now the bill is due for the credit card, so...
Why
I-
did you buy Bad
I'm
Bunny?
not breaking any promises.
You don't even like Spanish music.
I'll get you a new one as soon
I've
as I
never
can,
heard you
okay?
listen
Because
to
I gotta
Spanish
sell this
music.
one. It's crazy right now. It's tough. Is that
So why'd
okay?
you buy them if you didn't have money?
Baby, I'll get you a new one. I'll get you a better one, twice as big. Is that okay?
I guess.
Asking my girlfriend for gas money.
You have gas money, babe? I just realized I forgot my wallet.
How much is it to fill your
It's
tank?
like 50, 40 to 50.
$50?
Yeah, why?
Kidding. 50?
Pulls out her ones.
I only have $9.
9?
Bro, how far is $9 gonna take us down the street?
I mean, I don't have anything, so either down the street or stay at the gas station, so.
I was gonna use this to get my Chick-fil-A. We can use it, but
Are you sure?
I don't know how far we're gonna go with that much money.
I don't know, babe.
What were you
I'm thinking about, changing
Thinking
some
about what?
things up.
Things about what?
Like me, you, one of your close friends,
What about my friends?
like 3 and like...
3 what? You better not fucking say threesome.
What about a foursome?
Especially not a foursome. You think I want to see you in bed with other girls, especially my friends?
What if your aunt was in there?
My aunt?